Let's talk about the default arguments in function. We have sum function and it is going to return the sum of three numbers. What if I don't want to provide these values? I want to make them default values. Maybe you are thinking about you can do in this way. If a is equals to undefined, you can set the value a is equals to 1. You can do the same stuff for b and c. Let's say here we have b, and I would like to add the default value of b is 2, and let me add the default value of c, which is 3. Let's do that. C is 3. Cool. But there is not a good approach. But how? There is another short syntax here. Maybe you are thinking about we can do in this way. If a is undefined, we can use one value. If b is undefined, you can do in this way. If c is undefined, you can use 3 value. So, but ES6 provides the default arguments. You can provide the default value here. A is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 3. Now let me log this sum value. Boom, now you got the 6. You can also add another, replace that default values. Now you will get the result, which is 30. Boom. If you don't want to provide any arguments, you can skip that, or maybe you can use the undefined here. Now you will get the 1 plus 2 plus 10. Boom, now you got the 22.